welcome back to my channel. We are going to do the robot mouse now, and this is my brother Vajral, and he's going to help me fix the glass for the mouse.
Hi, my name is Vajral.
I'm going to program the robot mouse to get the cheese. This here is the cheese. And we are going to do this maze, so let's make it.
Yeah, I'm gonna
make the square first, and then we have to make this big line.
this big line. I can do this. The purple thing.
So we have to make the big square first. So let's find the big space. Now everyone makes a big square.
This so.
Wait, no. Like this.
No, I can do it. No.
Don't play it. Done.
No, stop. Stop. So now we can make a big square.
No, not yet. We have to make the.
So we need more. We need more purple things. More. Now,
Let's put this piece. Now we are going to make the other side of the square. Okay, this one goes here.
I can make it.
That's a long side, okay?
Is this the one this way and that way?
We are going to make this maze with this zigzag line with the walls, and these are the two blitters, and here's the cheese. The mouse has to go to get the cheese. Wait, that's not how you make it. So then you turn this, right?
And one going inside the wall.
Here, and then you go here.
One is going inside the wall. And go this way.
We made a maze exactly looking like the picture, but I added something, this lightning to the maze because I wanted it. Even if it's not there, I wanted it.
And here's
So
the
now we have to
lightning.
put the pictures in the back to show it. To program the mouse, we have to put the signs in the back, and then we have to put the mouse. So first, let's see. So you go this way and then this way. Then you go back this way. This. So this yellow means reset, and this one means stop. So you have to press the yellow one, and then wherever you have to go, you have to put arrows to do it. And then when you are done to doing the arrows, you have to press the green button so it will go. So reset. Wait, it's off. Reset. out, I am going to go straight, turn left, and then go straight. That's how we program the mouse. And I put the signs here. Yeah, you have to press the buttons, the same buttons like these here to go. So reset. So that's this way. Done. So I missed again.
No, that's why I broke that area because No, I broke that area of the cheese of the mouse cannot go this way. Blocking the area and you are not letting me block it.
And turn that way, turn that way, and now we go.
Right the car. Yay! I did it!
Now I do another complex one. I do a complex one. So first we have to put the complex one side. So one going to the left, then going up,
If
then
they
going
came this
another
big
way
again.
up. So first we have to go this way, and then you have to go this way, and then again another way, again another square, and then you have to go this square, and then you get the. Now I'm going to program it. So first let's reset, turn, go, turn, go, 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 and then turn, go, and then this way. Let's go again, this way go, again this way go, and get the cheese.